Hey, what's up world? Welcome to United Cuisines, your show for international recipes. Our friends from the United States suggested we make Blueberry Cobbler, and lucky us, the season just started over here. Blueberries are available at a discount, so let's make some of this deep dish fruit dessert. All you need is, well, your big oven-safe deep dish obviously, aka casserole pan, and a lot of blueberries. We used 4 cups which weigh approximately 550 grams. Add 35 grams of white sugar as well as 20 grams of cornstarch and give it a quick mix. Moreover, a tablespoon of lemon zest and half a tablespoon of cinnamon before you show the world what you learned during after-school karate class a few decades ago. Chop the lemon in twice and squeeze its juice into the mix. Feel free to do it over your clean hands if you want to intercept the lemon seeds like a pro. Give it a thorough stir until every blueberry gets its fair share. Set aside and move on to creating your homemade self-rising flour in a small bowl by adding 120 grams of all-purpose flour and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. If it refuses to join the party, give it a gentle push. Lastly, a pinch of salt before you mix and set aside. Moving on to our batter, for which we will need 150 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of brown sugar, and a lot of energy to spare. You gotta whisk, my friend, till the mix turns soft and fluffy. Start out slowly and speed up once the sugar is fully covered in butter. After 10 minutes of speedy whisking, you should reach your texture goal. If you are living in the 21st century and have access to an electric whisker, you might make it there even earlier. We don't, so it took us over 10 minutes of hard manual work. Add another half a teaspoon of cinnamon in the batter, as well as half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a quick whisk and add a fresh egg into the mix. Yes, dude, it's an egg. Never saw one? Just crack it. Holy, what the? With one hand, how did you do? Oh my god, impressive, man. Well done. Okay, dude. Oh, okay, back to whisking. Once done, get all your self-rising flour mix and add it into the batter. Not at once though, Batter in 2 to 3 batches to ward off potential lumps. By the way, we swapped our whisk for a silicone spatula now. Not sure if it's really necessary, but hey, definitely more convenient. Eventually you want to end up with a nice fluffy batter like this. Get your casserole dish full of antioxidant superfood blueberries back into the game and distribute the batter on top. Spoon for spoon, more or less equally spread across the board and covering most but not all berries. A second spoon might be of help with a sticky batter. Transfer your dish into the center of your preheated oven and let it bake for 30 to 40 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius until the top turns golden and the berries juice start bubbling. Okay, you can watch it bake while I choose the right song for the presentation. Just give me a second, it's gonna be something special. Are you ready? Yes, put on your oven gloves on and get our Blueberry Cobbler out. It will smell deliciously with a scent of cinnamon. Be patient though, you don't want to burn your mouth. Look at this glorious juicy piece. If it tastes half as good as it looks, it's already a win. And be assured it will, especially if you add a scoop of vanilla ice cream and fresh mint. So dive in there, and many thanks to our US friends for having shared this blueberry cobbler dish with us. Please consider subscribing if you like this video, join our community and share your favorite food from your home country.
Wow. Thank you, my friend from the US.
We are looking forward to welcoming you again soon with another international recipe here at United Cuisines.
Wow.
Until next time, enjoy your meal.